In this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up the kitchen and electrical on the XT15 Pop Top. I'll also be showing how to pack it down ready for travel. When setting up your XT15 Pop Top, to power up the electrics, we come to this panel here beside the bed. Now this large red switch here is the main isolation switch, so you turn that on and that'll fire up the 12 volt electrics. Along here we have the individual switches to the various circuits in the Caravan. So we've got toilet, fridge, DC outlet. We've also got water pump, water gauge, hot water, and a spare one here. Across the top here are push reset circuit breakers. So if one of the circuits goes down, we simply find the button here, push it in and reset it. It's easy to go. If you're not getting power to this panel here, you need to look underneath the seat at the dinette and go to the main breaker switches just in beside the batteries. But this is where you fire up your power. To set up the kitchen on your XT15PT, you'll need this, the kitchen support leg. Open up the cabinet door, press down on the blue tabs either side and grab the large handle up here and pull your kitchen out. Once it's out all the way, underneath the kitchen here is a little receiver hole for the leg. Pop that in there like so. It's a bit of a snug fit, and lower the leg down and lock it up. Now the kitchen's out. Simply open that to get to your cooktop, and for the sink, press these two tabs down here and pull your sink out, and you can raise the tap there. There's also a hose to run the wastewater into a bucket. Now, all you need to do is connect up the hoses for the water and the gas. First of all, we connect up the gas. Grab the bayonet fitting, that's got a collar on it, that's the male fitting. And we pop it into the gas fitting there, turn it to the right and it'll lock in. Then, grab our water fittings. Now, the fitting on the left is the hot water, fitting on the right is the cold water, and it's marked on the plate just underneath. Simply pop them in. They're secure, ready to go. When packing up your XT15PT, you come to the control panel here and you have to make a decision. If you've got products in the fridge and you want to run the internal fridge, you need to leave on this switch here, which is for the toilet and the fridge. If you leave that on, it will continue to power to the fridge, provided you leave this main isolation switch on as well. If you're going to run a fridge in the side compartment beside the kitchen, you also need to leave on your DC outlet switch right here beside it. So that'll cover you for fridge. If you're not using your fridges, they're empty, you don't need to maintain them, you can simply turn off the main panel switch here and that'll cut all your 12 volt power ready to travel. Packing up your kitchen, first disconnect the hoses. With the water hoses, push the collar back and take the fitting out, and you'll get covered in water. With the gas, turn the collar to the left and pull the fitting out. Remember to return all your little dust covers back into place. Get them on, tidy up your hoses, pack them away, and we can close the kitchen up. The hoses are now disconnected and packed away. We can fold our tap down, get that down out of the way, close our sink up, and remove our leg from underneath here. Then just push our blue tabs down, slide the kitchen in, and just give it a shove. Make sure the blue tabs have clicked back up into place so the kitchen can't move. So that's locked in security. Now we can close up our hatch and that's done. And there you go folks, that's how simple it is to set up and pack up the kitchen and electrical on your XT15 Pop Top.